So how do you put the camera on the iPhone home screen? Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this channel, consider subscribing as there are plenty of videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, your camera can either be part of the home screen icons or it can be in the dock below. But what you have to do is to swipe all the way to the right until you find the app library, which is basically a place where all of your apps are sorted and located. So you can scroll through it and just find the like camera right away. If you see it, it is part of the photo and video folder, most likely for you as well. But even if not, you can just look it up manually by searching for it. But the point is that you can grab the icon like this, just start dragging it to your home screen, just move over to wherever you want to put it, right? And just find the place for it. And now the camera will be easily accessible from your home screen. Obviously, you can add it even multiple different times. In the latest iOS 26, there isn't any limit or any grid that you have to stick with, right? You can put it literally anywhere you want. So that's like one way to do this. Of course, you might want to put it on the lock screen as well, because there is the ability to add it as a toggle right there. So as I say, there are plenty of different options for you to play with, right? So that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. And just like always, in case of any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.